Hey YouTube, Raw 5069 and myself have been doing a Bible study with the one and only Rand Campbell. And I have recently found out that Rand Campbell will not be joining us on our Bible study, which is called Three Men in the Bible, on Wednesday nights. That's tonight. So, we need a replacement. Rand Campbell is off YouTube for a bit. I hope he'll come back someday, but he wanted everybody to know that he's doing fine. He didn't leave for any, and nobody pushed him out, and he wanted atheists to know that he loves you very, very much. So, in honor of Rand Campbell, Raw 5069 and myself want to replace Rand with one of his beloved atheists. So, Raw and I would like to replace Rand Campbell for the time being with an atheist. So, we are considering who that would be, and we're looking for volunteers. If you are willing to sit in for Rand Campbell on our Bible study and you are an atheist, please send me a PM or respond to this video and we'll connect on Skype or whatever way we need to confirm you sitting in for Rand Campbell. Now, there's some rules. If you're sitting in for Rand Campbell, you need to do what Rand Campbell did. And that is, he listened to the Bible study for, usually we went on from 35 to 50 minutes. We'd do the Bible study just listening. That's what Rand would do. And then after we were done, Rand would ask some questions. So if you're an atheist and you're willing to fill in for Rand Campbell, please comment here or PM me, contact me on Skype, or if you want to talk to Raw 5069, that's fine. But the Bible study's tonight. This is Wednesday. It's going to be Eastern Standard Time. We're going to start between 8 p.m. and 8:30, somewhere in there. So, looking for a volunteer, an atheist to join the Bible study, Three Men in the Bible. That's tonight. And we are in the book, the chapter 4 of the book of John. So, if you're willing, if you're interested, let me know. Until then, have a good day. And God bless all of you.